Mga Laker fans, teka lang. After na mabigo sila sa playoffs laban sa Timberwolves, kahit may Luka at LeBron, mukhang may bagong target ang front office. Ayon sa insiders, the Lakers want a two-way swingman. At guess what, ang pangalan na lumulutang? Andrew Wiggins. According to NBA insider Marstein, ang type of player na gusto ng Lakers ay isang versatile wing defender na kaya rin gumawa ng puntos. At kung sakali raw na i-open ng Miami Heat si Andrew Wiggins for trade, the Lakers would be very interested. Si Wiggins, former number 1 overall pick noong 2014 NBA draft, currently nasa Heat after yung blockbuster Jimmy Butler trade last season. Sa Miami at Golden State combined, nag-average siya ng 18 points, 4.5 rebounds, 2.6 assists, plus solid defense, shooting 37% from 3 pa. This season, may guaranteed salary siya na $28.2 million, with a player option na $30.2 million sa 2006 to 2007. So, medyo mabigat sa cap, pero kung ang Heat ay mag-decide na mag-shoot ng salary for flexibility, pwedeng magka-chance ang Lakers dito. Kung titignan natin ang Lakers roster ngayon for 2025 to 26, solid ang core. Luka Doncic fresh off signing a 3-year extension, LeBron James still going strong, kasama sina Austin Reeves, Rui Hachimura, at bagong bigman na si DeAndre Ayton. Marcus Smart is also in the mix, at si Jake LaRavia na ni-recruit mismo ni Reeves. Pero kung may kulang, wing depth. Kasi sa first round exit nila kontra Wolves, kitang-kita na hirap sila sa defense at consistency sa wings. Diyan papasok si Wiggins. Champion, proven sa playoffs, kaya niyang mag-switch defensively sa guards hanggang forwards, at score din when needed. Imagine this starting five: Luka, Reeves, Wiggins, LeBron, Ayton. Plus Smart off the bench. Solid diba? Parang may dagdag na lockdown defender na pwedeng tumulong sa load ni LeBron. Ang tanong ngayon, are the Lakers willing to gamble assets for Wiggins, knowing malaki ang kontrata niya? Or, hihintay nila if the Heat really decide to cut payroll? One thing's for sure, with Luka extending, the Lakers are clearly in win-now mode. Kaya every move from here on out, siguradong calculated para masulit ang championship window nila. Mga kabasketbolista, anong sa inyo? Kung kayo ang Lakers GM, kukunin niyo ba si Andrew Wiggins as that two-way swingman? Drop your thoughts sa comments.